Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be reviewing a remote control car. It's a Lamborghini Gallardo. Very fast, pretty big, very nice remote control car. This is the battery. This is the charger. And how you do that, you just plug it in like that. And make sure both the metal things are touching inside it. And then you just plug it into a charger that's on, and then as you'll see it only comes out one side, so you have to press this yellow button here and then it'll come out like that. So it's fully charged, 4-hour charge. This is the remote. This is all good as well, and now you need to plug the battery in. So yeah, I'll do that. Cha-ching, all in. So now I will. It's one of the older remotes, but just to let you know, if a remote control car has this sort of remote, it means it's good quality. So that's the left and right. This is forward, that's backwards. So yeah, and now I'm just going to show you how fast it is and how it drifts. Here it is, everybody. Now, here's the on and off switch. Turn it on, of course. And now we're just going to show you some of the speed. Oops, that wasn't meant to happen. Now, this thing is not all terrain. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Bye.